Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Avenger to ACC or on so the head unit is live. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable. This lets the car see your device. Next, press the radio's phone or Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. Some systems show Add Device. Make sure your phone's screen stays on and avoid locking, otherwise the pairing window may close. You're now ready to select the vehicle from the phone's Bluetooth list. You tap the vehicle name, often Uconnect, on your phone's Bluetooth list. The head unit will display a PIN. Verify the digits match on both the radio and phone, then confirm or accept on both devices. Once paired, the system asks to grant permissions for contacts, messages, and media. Approve these so hands-free calling and streaming work. If the radio asks to set this device as primary, choose yes. Make sure the phone's Bluetooth profile includes audio and phone capabilities for full functionality. You now test the connection. Play music or place a call to confirm sound routes through the car speakers. Once verified, set the phone as preferred or primary so future connections are automatic. If audio is low or calls drop, check the phone's media volume and the radio's Bluetooth volume. If pairing fails, restart your phone and the car system, toggle Bluetooth, or delete the pairing on both sides and try again. This clears cached errors and usually resolves stubborn faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.